Okay. Question is, a bag contains 6 red, 4 blue, 2 green and 3 yellow balls. If 3 balls are picked up at random, what is the probability that 2 are blue and 1 is yellow? Whenever we see n, we need to multiply. We need to pick up total 3 balls. Out of them, 2 should be blue and 1 should be yellow. And 2 should be blue means 2 balls should be picked up from 4 blue balls. Out of 4 blue balls, we can pick 2 blue balls in 4C2 ways. That is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 into 2 is 6. And remaining 1 yellow ball can be picked up from 3 yellow balls. From 3 yellow balls, 1 ball can be picked up in 3C1 ways. That is 3. 2 are blue and 1 is yellow. It means we need to multiply these two. 6 into 3. Total 18 ways we can pick up 3 balls in such a way that 2 are blue and 1 is yellow. These are expected number of possibilities. So probability is expected number of possibilities by total possibilities. In how many ways we can pick up 3 balls? For that we need to see how many balls we have. Total 6 red and 4 blue, that is 10 balls, and 2 green 12 balls and 3 yellow balls, that is total 15 balls we have. Out of 15, 3 balls can be picked up in 15C3 ways, that is 15 into 14 into 13 by 1 into 2 into 3. 2 7s are 14 and 3 5s are 15. 13 into 7 is 91. 91 into 5. This is 455. These many ways we can pick up 3 balls. Answer is 18 by 455. Next question. A bag contains 4 red, 5 blue and 3 green balls. If 3 balls are picked up at random, what is the probability that at least one of them is blue? This problem can be solved in 2 ways. Because we want at least one ball is blue, it means at least one ball should be picked up from these 5 blue balls. So it can be 5C1. It means one ball is picked up from 5 blue balls and the remaining balls are picked up from remaining colors, that is 4 and 3. Total 7 balls are there which are not blue, and the remaining 2 balls can be picked up from out of these 2 colors, that is 7C2. Or 2 balls can be picked up from blue, that is 5C2, and remaining 1 ball can be picked up from non-blue balls, that is 7C1. Or all 3 balls can be picked up from blue, that is 5C3. These many ways we can pick up 3 balls which contains at least one blue ball. If we calculate this, 5C1 means 5 and 7C2, it means 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 7 into 3 is 21, plus 5C2, 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 7C1 means 7. 5C3, 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 3 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. Total 10. If we sum this, 21 into 5, that is 105, plus 70 plus 10. Total is 185. 185 ways we can select 3 balls in such a way that at least one of them is blue. So answer is expected number of possibilities, that is 185 divided by total number of possibilities. Total how many balls we have? 4 plus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 balls we have. Out of 12 balls, 3 balls can be picked up in 12C3 ways. 12C3 means 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 2s are 12. Total this is 2 into 11 into 10. That is 220. 85 by 220. If we solve this, 5 37s are 185 and 5 44s are 220. 37 by 44 is the answer. We can solve this problem in a different way also. Now I will explain that. And we know that total number of ways we can pick up 3 balls is 12 C3 ways, that is 220. Suppose if we can pick up 3 balls in such a way that none of them is blue in x number of ways, then if we deduct this x from 220, then we get number of ways which contains at least one of them is blue. To find out this x is, we need to select non-blue balls. How many non-blue balls we have? 4 red and 3 green. Total 7 non-blue balls we have. We can pick 3 balls out of 7 in 7 C3 ways. 7 C3 means 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 7 into 5 is 35. Total 35 number of ways we can select 3 balls in such a way that none of them is blue. We need to deduct this 35 from 220. Then we will get number of ways we can pick up 3 balls in such a way that at least one of them is blue. 220 minus 35, that is 185. These are expected number of possibilities and total possibilities are 220. If we solve this, 5 37s are 185 and 5 44s are 220. Final answer is 37 by 44. Next question. A box contains 20 electric bulbs, out of which 4 are defective. 2 bulbs are chosen at random from this box. The probability that at least one of them is defective. So we need to pick 2 bulbs out of 20 electric bulbs, and we should find the probability that at least one of them is defective. As per the problem, we have total 20 bulbs. Out of them 4 are defective and 16 are good ones. When we pick up 2 bulbs, at least one of them should be defective. It means one bulb can be picked up from these 4 defective bulbs, that is 4C1 ways, and remaining bulb can be picked up from 16, that is 16C1, or those 2 bulbs can be picked up from these 4, that is 4C2. If we calculate this, 4C1 means 4 and 16C1 means 16. 4 into 16 is 64. And 4C2. 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 into 2 is 6. 64 plus 6, that is 70. And these are expected number of possibilities. Expected number of possibilities divided by total number of possibilities. How many ways we can pick 2 balls out of 20? That is 20 C2 ways. 20 C2 means 20 into 19 by 1 into 2. 2 tens are 20. 19 into 10 is 190. 0 will get cancelled. Total 7 by 19 is the answer. Okay, next question. 4 persons are chosen at random from a group of 3 men, 2 women and 4 children. The chance that exactly 2 of them are children is. We need to pick up total 4 people. Out of 4, 2 must be children. We need to find probability for that. 2 must be children means those 2 children should be picked up from these 4 children. From 4 children, 2 people can be picked up from 4 children, 2 children can be picked up in 4C2 ways. And remaining 2 can be picked up from remaining people. Remaining people are 3 men and 2 women. Total 5. From 5, 2 people can be picked up in 5C2 ways. 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 into 2 is 6. And 5C2 means 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 into 2 is 10. 6 into 10 is 60. Total 60 ways we can pick up 4 people in such a way that 2 of them are children. These are expected number of possibilities. Probability is expected number of possibilities by total possibilities. What are the total possibilities? Total we have 3 plus 2 plus 4 people we have. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. Out of 9 people we can pick 4 people in 9C4 ways. 9C4 means 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 will get cancelled. 4 2s are 8. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 into 7. 18 into 7 we can keep as it is so that we can solve this easily. 6 3s and 6 10s. 10 by 7 into 3, that is 21. This is the answer.